are you? I hope you are all fine and staying at your home. Today, I want to discuss about birds with you. Do you know how many species of birds are there in the whole world? Yes, there are many. There are about 10,000 species of birds in the whole world. And in our India, how many species of birds are there? There are about 1,300 birds in our whole India. Birds are very beautiful and interesting. That's why many people love bird watching, also known as birding. And how will you do bird watching? You need to identify the birds and know their number in the notepad. Write the notepad, put that notepad open and write the number of the birds. Now, how will we identify them? We have to identify with taking the size, color, number and shape. And now what we need for doing bird watching? We need a notepad and a reference guide like Uttarakhand Handbook written by Sanjay Sundi and the Book of Indian Birds written by Salim Ali Ji. And you can also download the app like Bird Explorer India. I'm showing the Bird Explorer India over here. I have you can download it in your parents' phone here. You will get the locations of your nearby birds. We can tell them. Let's see here. You will get all the nearby birds over there. See, and you can also get the images here. So you will log in this app too. As there is lockdown, you don't go outside. So, don't you want to make buddy friends? Yes, you can make. House sparrows. House sparrows love people. And the house sparrows are also in danger. Keep them safe and give them something to eat because they are looking for homes and also for food and water. So, you can make a home for them or buy a home from Amazon, put a home there, and they like to go in circle places. So, with a circle in a house, make a house with a circle or buy a house with a circle and a hole. Then a house sparrow will come in the house. Any bird could come. This is my birdie house. Many friends are coming in. And they are outside for a walk. We can't go anywhere for the walk, but birds could because they're just flying there, This is the bird feeder. I also brought it from Amazon. And here are the millets. Over here, they could stand from here and eat. Or from the tree, you can also. And during lockdown, you can go out. So after the lockdown, come and join me on the bird watching. Bye bye. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too for notifications.